In this video, we're unboxing the fuel line adapter tool set. The tool set is for removing quick connect fittings. It's designed to non-damaging and quickly separate quick connect fitting on vehicles. Applications include AC high and low side refrigerant lines, condenser and evaporator line fitting disconnection, fuel lines, fuel filter quick connect fittings, brake lines, transmission cooler lines, and other quick connect style lines. It avoids deformed fittings, damaged O-rings, cracked lines, and leaks caused by prying with screwdrivers or brute force. Now let's introduce briefly the components inside. This is the split type and colored large size heavy-duty release ring for larger fuel lines and larger AC refrigerant lines. Top multicolor round single-hole disconnect tool, standard AC line quick release ring. Slip it over the outside of the line, push open the internal retaining clips. White plastic clip, designed for smaller diameter fuel lines, small engine bay lines and vacuum lines, commonly used on smaller Japanese vehicles. The black handle pliers in the middle fits the tight spaces. Apply clamping force to hold the disconnect tool, making it easier to pull the line apart. The remaining metal angle pry bar fits accessing connectors in tight, hard-to-reach spots, helping to pry to get the right angle. Now let us move to how to use these tools, using the fuel line removal process on this vehicle as an example. First, choose the correct quick connect clip. We need to install this protruding side into the inside of the clip. First, snap it onto the fuel line right there. We can see the clip is fully seated into the fuel line fitting. Now we can simply pull the fuel line apart. That's how to remove a fuel line without damaging anything. Now let me explain how to use the assist pliers. Because the O-rings inside the fittings have used for a long time, once we take it apart, the O-ring will swell, and the installation will be very difficult. We can use the assist pliers, open the jaws, position them over the fuel line fitting, then find a good leverage point on the other side. Use the assist pliers to reinstall the fuel line. That's how the fuel line is installed well.